It's the Holy Moly vlog. I'm getting better because I said vlog this time. And it's vlog number 5. 5 in a row, 5 days in a row. So that's a new record for me. So today I'm going to try doing some video editing. I'm going to try to figure out how to put in like windows and little like headings, like something like, we'll see it if it works, something like that. Anyways, what better way to do that than a cooking video? Because then I can do, you know, different shots and I'll edit them all together and we'll see if it looks good. This is basically it. So today I'm going to make super tender but super quick back ribs barbecue. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to get together a lot of our ingredients. Not all of them here, but these are the aromatic stuff. This is what is going to start off adding flavor, and our ribs. So now that I've got all this stuff chopped up, roughly, because it doesn't really need to be son of a gun. That's the hard part of doing this vlogging by yourself. So yeah, I'm just going to toss this stuff in, because really what all of this stuff is aromatic, meaning it's got great smells. Oh, and yeah, I gotta clean this mess off the floor. It fell off my tray. Buddy's not gonna help me with that. Buddy's busy. See? Where's the Budster? He's in his little safe spot. Aren't you, buddy? This thing is just, it's awesome. Power pressure cooker. Infomercial late night, and I bought it. Actually, you know, truth be told, I didn't actually buy it online, like I didn't call the 1-800 number because of the infomercial, but when I saw it at Costco, Costco online, I bought it there because that was just something I knew I could trust, and they have a good exchange and all that stuff. So anyways, next thing I'm going to start cutting this stuff up, and I'll show you another, I don't have to do this. If I had chicken stock, I would use chicken stock, but I don't right now. So I'm just going to take a beer, and that's what I'm going to use for the liquid. And because I'm on a low carb diet, I'm not even going to drink it. Like, I'm not at all. It's a waste, kind of. No, I wouldn't normally put that much in, but I don't want to waste it. It's beer, Canadian beer. See. So then I've cut up the ribs, and I've put a little bit of this spice mix that I've got. I've rubbed it on, and this is what it is. I make a big batch of it. It saves a ton of cash. Yeah, look at that. Those are going to be spicy ribs. So, like I said, there's a little bit more beer than I normally would put in there. But then if we just kind of try and lay it all on top, so it's not boiling, you really want it just to be steaming. And then want enough juice in there so that the pressure can come up, and then it does its pressure cooker magic. And now that I've got these guys in here, get our lid, set it to the right little spot. It's going to build up the pressure over here and slam it shut. Now, oh yeah, I've got to set a time adjustment. Oh yeah, I'm going to just go stop, meet, 23. It's pretty easy. That's all I gotta do. So while all of that stuff is cooking away, hey, let's have a drink, right? It's Friday. To be perfectly honest, one of the cool things about low carb is whiskey has no carbs. So I think I'm going to have myself nice snort of ice cold Booker's. I know there's probably people, oh no, why are you putting that on ice? Well, I like it cold. And this stuff is strong. I mean, it's straight bourbon. I think it's like 60% alcohol. I'm sorry, 63.9% alcohol. And the Booker's straight bourbon. Oh no. Alright everybody, hope these ribs are good. I'm sure this will be. Really taste the extra alcohol. It tastes good. It's good bourbon. The pressure cooker is ticking away here, and I'm going to make the barbecue sauce that all we're gonna do is slap the barbecue sauce on the grill, let it caramelize up a bit, and we're done because the ribs are cooked. We don't have to worry about cross-contamination. Like say if you've got tongs with raw meat on it, you touch something, you know, I don't know, people get food poisoning. I've had it, I don't like it. So all these little things, not only does it make the meat super tender and really delicious, it it cooks it so you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to, have the barbecue or your grill going for hours. You kind of put this all together. 6 o'clock, I've only been home for about an hour. So, yeah. Anyways, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take all of these things and make my sauce. So really what I got here is a base, which is this Stubbs Sweet Heat barbecue sauce. So it's actually surprisingly spicy. Got some chili sauce, a little sriracha, ketchup, garlic powder, onion powder, Louisiana hot sauce, a little bit of red wine vinegar, and of course, being a Canadian, no meal is complete without some maple syrup. So that's what I'm going to add for a little bit of sweetness. they're done. So I'm just going to pull these guys out, set them in this cookie tray. Well, that's good. Don't want them, if they do them too far, and as much as I love falling off the bone ribs, if it just falls all apart, you don't have ribs, you just have like pulled pork. So you got to find that line, I think. Personal belief. There we go. Got the grill halfway going. Turn on the other half. Burn off some of this. Whoa. Burn off some of this crud. And yeah, it's our free barbecue. I had a friend who won it on a roll up the rim. You gotta be Canadian to get that. From Tim Hortons. And they couldn't be bothered really to learn how to do it, because it wasn't that hard. But anyways, it's our broil king. It's old, but it does the job. Go away, jerk. You get away from my ribs. Bad wasp. You know what? I say, I think we're good. I'm just going to shut that off. Okay, here it is. Let's give it a try. Isn't that obligatory on these kind of videos? Gotta show the dude eating it. Alright. Oh well, that's pretty darn good. Yummy. Okay, that's it from the Holy Moly today. Okay, Shar, hit play on the Tim Tracker. We're ready to go. Thanks.